So we're working on a 94 Honda Accord with I think it's a 2.2. So it's got a no start issue, and what's going on with it is the guy just replaced the distributor, which is a pretty common issue with these. Did a tune-up on it, plugs, wires, and that didn't fix this problem. It's an intermittent no start. So what you want to do whenever you're dealing with a no start issue, always check fuel, air, and spark. So you do all those three things, you'll usually figure out what's causing the issue of no starting or dying or whatever. And with this, you have to check the injector pulse when it's having the issue to see if it's getting power from the computer. And with this one, it's not. So checking the injectors, we use little 2-wire Noid light, or any Noid light will work. You got to pull this clip off on any of the injectors. Pull the clip off, plug it into the wire side, and when the problem was occurring, you could tell it wasn't getting any pulse from the computer when you're cranking. So that is an important thing that you're going to check. And on this one, you're going to want to check the computer, and an easy, quick way to check it is take out the actual ECM. On this particular car, it's on the passenger lower side dash. You're gonna have to pull the carpet back, pull a couple covers off, and then there's 4 bolts holding it on. This bracket, you gotta peel the bracket back, and what we typically do is we'll disconnect the connectors on the other side. Once you have this bracket off, you disconnect the connectors, check for any corrosion, and anybody can do this as long as you have 10 millimeters at home and you're having this problem. Check the connectors, make sure that there's no corrosion. Once you do that, leave it unplugged for about a minute or two, and then plug it back in, and it'll kind of reset itself. And from doing that, you can tell it did fix the problem, at least temporarily, until you get another computer, because now it pretty much starts every time. You want to listen to that. Every time it starts. Starting right up. Just unplugging the computer and plugging it back in. You're getting injector pulse. You're getting the spark. You obviously have a good engine. Hondas have one of the best engines on the market, even 20 years ago. So make sure you check those 3 things. If it comes to it, disconnect the computer, reconnect it, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching. Follow our channel, Automotive Unlimited. Check out our website, autounlim.com. It's coming up, building it up. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link is in the description below. Appreciate it. Take care. Till next time, keep it unlimited.